If someone searched your name right now, what would they see? Would they find your values, your vision, or just random posts? Today, I'm going to show you how to brand yourself on social media so you can start building a global lifestyle. And we're doing this hands-on. So grab a pen or open your note apps because we're doing this together. Step number 1, identity. First, write down 3 words that describe who you really are. Maybe it's driven, creative, inspiring, or healthy, bold, joyful. Pause for a second and actually write it. These 3 words are the seed of your personal brand. Step 2, story. Now, think of the life experience that shaped you, something others could learn from. Maybe a challenge you overcame or a lesson you carry every day. That story is part of your brand because people connect more with stories than polished perfection. Step 3, your action. Here we go. We're going practical now. So take your phone, open your social media bio, and add at least one of those 3 words you wrote down. Step 5, consistency. Finally, choose one format you're comfortable with, either short videos or a written post or even a story, and commit sharing that one story this week. Don't wait to be perfect. Just post it because someone out there needs it. So here's my challenge for you today. Drop one of your 3 brand words in the comments and let's build this global lifestyle together. I'll be watching and cheering you on. And because you stay on and take the time to watch and listen to this video, I have a gift for you. So in the comments, I drop a free PDF guide for you that walks you step by step on how to create your Facebook bio today. Go and grab it and set your brand right now.